Ready for the adventure, lemonade?
As long as we don't get digested too fast.
Whoa, this squeeze is intense.
Feels like a roller coaster. Hang on.
You're high in fat and sugar. Care to explain? We're just here to give flavor.
Maybe we're too much for this body. It's getting hotter in here.
Feels like chaos. The body's fighting us. Ah! We're everywhere. The sugar spike is real.
I see high cholesterol alerts flashing.
Maybe too much grease wasn't a good idea.
I warned you, high sugar hits fast. See the signals? Body is overwhelmed.
My sluggishness, cravings, we're the villains. This energy crash. A body hates us.
Lesson learned. Too much of us can be dangerous. They're storing us forever.
Future obesity alert. We leave marks. Every beat I feel it. Sugar rush, but danger comes with it.
I hope we're not too toxic.
Acidic leftovers. We might be causing trouble. Lack of oxygen. Body working hard.
Sugar crash plus fat load. Dangerous combo. End of the road. What a journey.
We leave a mark. Don't repeat this.
I understand now. Moderation is key. Yes, the body is fragile. Treat it well. Hope humans learn from us.
Eat wisely, not like us.
Like करें और channel को subscribe करें.